What is up, you guys? It's been forever, guys, but today I want to talk about period stories because everyone gets it. That's a girl, because if you die and you got your period, I pray for you. But let's get started. So when I first got my period, it was a big misunderstanding, and I was in 3rd grade, and the teacher was like, "Caitlin, you got your period," and I was like, "No, I don't," and she was like, "Yes, you do, go to the nurse." So I was like, okay, I get to go to class, so yes, hallelujah. So I went down to the nurse's office, and I had a giant chocolate stain on my vagina, and then she was like, "Oh my gosh, that's your period blood," and I was like, "No, I'm just fat, I was eating chocolate earlier," and she was like, "No, that's your period blood." And so I was like, okay, well, I still get to go to class, so yes, girl. So I just sat there, and then I started talking about how I loved goats, and she was just like, "Oh, can she shut up?" And I was just like, "I like goats, I like to feed them, I want to go, goats." And so my mom and dad finally come, and choking on my weed. And they finally come, and I'm just sitting there, and like, I'm telling you guys, I don't get my period, and they're like, "Well, let's check." And so sure enough, I proved them that I was fat at heart, and I was just a chocolate stain. So, joke's on you. So anyways, so when I actually did get my period, I just woke up, and there was like a giant massacre, and I was like, "Oh, Satan has possessed my vagina with his waters." Ew, that sounds weird. Never mind. I also could not ever say period. I said oceans, cranberry sauce, or the devil's water. So, I mean, all vaginas are possessed like that. But one time I leaked at my friend's house, and I was hoping she would think of cranberry juice because she has little cousins, and she never found out, so I was so happy about that. But one time I did leak, and she gave me shorts, and I leaked in them because I was afraid to put a tampon in. I got it in like 1 little inch of it, and then I was like, "Ah!" and then it just broke. And then one time I was walking at the beach, and then my pad just flew out of my pants because it was soaked and wet because I forgot to take it out when I was swimming. And these hot guys came by, and I was like, "Ha, I just dropped my maxi pad. Have a nice day." And yeah. Sorry, I'm just really weird and awkward, as you guys who watch my YouTube videos see. And I totally messed up my eyebrow because I was not even thinking. It was really late, and I was like, "Ha ha ha," and then I shaved some of it off, so it's gonna be stuck like this for a couple weeks now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. But if not, then obviously you can just ignore this. Just go away from me. But yeah, and if you want to watch some of me and my collabs with my best friend and his YouTube channel, his name's Jacob Mroshnik. He's really awesome and funny, and you guys will enjoy his videos because I do. But I hope you guys have an amazing day and you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and remember to smile. Bye. Pew.